กันยามยามเตี้ยเด่นยาดินกันสิไลนวมมาสิดรอเฟลซีเบลชัดเดเฟลเอ็มเดดีเบลชัดเดที่บัมบัวเมามังอาทิตย์เสียงนั่นจะช่างอังมุนากันดูตังฮะกันบาซาร์โดนนี่เพ่งเวที่ผู้เจ้ารำทางขันเราเชฟพอนไม่เทียมาว่าตุยปุยเอ็มมามังอาทิตย์เสียงนั่นเฟกอันนี้โบก็เทียมังอันนี้กันละเวอันนี้มาเฟกอันนี้ก็จะไว้ไม่หันมาวันนี้มาเฟกขันเตียขันเฮงมามุนนี่บางครั้งที่จุมาเซพลาสติกพังอันเสียมเฮงเขาอีจุพลาสติกส่วนเฮงที่จุมาตักกันอีจุส่วนพลาสติกเลมันวัวนี่มาเลมขโมยโซกินะเฮ้ที่ฮันโอ้มวยไปเตะมวยเฟกันนี่เฮ้มีอะไรฮันเงี้ยเฮ้มามังอันเสียมันตีเอ็มเงี้ยนี่เราเงี้ยนี่เฮ้ที่มามังอันเสียมันมีกอร์ฮี
Everyone, please be seated.
มัมเตฮีใส่เหล้าชีน่ากันนี่จุกันนี่ปัวให้เตะที่ฮันคือมาเตะที่อันเชลเอาไม่มาเตะเราให้ตู้ชั้นเราให้ตู้อินนั่นลุตุกอินมวยลุตุกมาเตะที่อันมวยก็จะชวนให้เตียงกันให้อันทิลสอดจะช่างแต่กันเอ็นเวเรงเรื่องเงี้ยมาว่าจังอาเซียมเฟกันนี่เฮงที่มาว่าจังอาเซียมเฟกันนี่มั้งมาว่าจังอาเซียมเฟกันนี่จ้ะกันติลังเวชิมพุทธังกัชสวาลเงี้ยกัชลาวายังจะติงเงินตีนี่นักกินน้ำปังสิ่งทุ่มเลยตีก็เอ็นพุทธังตะเวลเตปก็เลยเวไม่เทนี่มาเสก็เลยเชลเอาให้เมกับลำปังอันนี้ก็ติดพุทธังYes, I'll take photo, okay? Video. Oh, thank you so much. Anh feel ta phải mình lâu bia cái đình bị sập sao? Cái hao hi hay toothpaste ni ta ni chú mua toothbrush te. Hiện hi bamboo trong siam vậy cái ni, right? Chan hiện hao hi hay makeup te po ta sang hiện te po hi bamboo trong siam vậy. Anh ấy chú hay khéo hi chú anh mà ni ramina anh lâu bùi ven chú hay underwear chỉ sang te po ta hiện te hi kina cái en viang hiện te hi cái en ve đó anh ấy chú hiện hi muốn đăng ai tàu hay lom chú cái sẽ chuang lâu ta factory về anh tin nè hay em mấy chiếc underwear này đều te chỉ sang te chú anh hiện hi hay anh này lom có mấy okay. Còn nói chỉ sang ơi, hay ăn mặc vẽ, hay máu trong cái xe mình tí chúng ta, hay những cái yang cần phụ giúp làm thằng khanin, alo xe vẽ alo gym vẽ na sao này đó ni mà, ơi, hay sol chỉ sang thế. Hay lúc hôm hè ngắm mi hiện giá tiếng nghe lệ cắn nao theo khả năng lấy nghe ơi hay bẹt tên là hôm lúc tục xuống ở hàng shopping tour anh tia hay vì anh là lồng tóc hiện là đều lúc hôm ơi hàng hiện là lúc tục tóc ta này số mai tây thì anh lấy lệ đủ chia hàng hay anh giả tiếng nghe này, mỗi lom giả hi mò hay, qua lom he ngã chân khum nó sẽ tốt bani sa bốc xia, yang hậu hi mò, cái chú kia tụi mình kinh cái tía bol kia, mà vợ chồng anh xia mà ní vàng he nên hay anh ngay sang tốt hay, thì anh áp quá này hay, gan ra thum xóm, yang giả nghe nhàng gan chú. Hành thì môi tốt hay môi lom chắc anh đi ngót tốt biết à cho anh hành thì play bag hậu hi môi hành thì bỏ hi hay hành là trăng với cái xiêm amak om ko tia kai chu ko shithiam lo ko oi lo lek lek ma se anin ti box ya hei no pang tan phei chan hi chalu to ma se hei ani an ziak tan chu ei bambu hei henga hian bek te hei mizo ho poi na kan mai nam eng lawa kan tiang deu khan hengi an ma ni e rama changa an ti ni ve ta mo heng hawi he bek chalu to heng bek amoi lom to pai heng te hi heng tin nal to pai te sial to mawo changa siam bambu oi sial top ta ne chui heng te he achang kang top ta mo heng te kleng han he tu na mut bulam pang oi ha chalom lut to ka ni chui yan he te khum mattress te bedsheet te Yes, I'm YouTuber. Yes. Ading puin hamte. So I click video, okay? We are first time in Vietnam. Hello. We are from Mizoram. That is Indian notice. Yeah. But we look like us. So different.
How many people go to Vietnam?
Around 60, 70.
60.
Yeah, that is we are Victas company. Yeah. Hiện TV tete. Baby anti kha. Yeah, tara. An fel lom lut to khai kan mela in anga kan looks. Hey, oi heng ti tawel yan chi mi. Bam. Sial vet an bazar sang chu kan hnunga sonin kan thian ka kalpui ho te khan ron kalta pu heng te ka du e wow bamboo factory underwear hin nei chato phai kan kanin bia kan ti vela kan ti na chu ka tilang du lo kan zakamo e kanin bena salut to khoi ha magan ti velu to ni chumo achan chu India kan ni ka ti sia magan til to ka India ka ang boxi la we shem Havang khan makan titop dan itu hei samchon na hei lukhum sang kan muang hau khai te changa siam chwa kha ni atlom ka ringa hei ka soi thiam lawa hei ka miste sang hei du lang mo mawo changa siam ya na enani hei hi an sabon hei mawo changa siam sabon in lim chin Mau mga thil siam na mun ka kan chhuah sana thil lei thiam har khop mai he mi hi lo tau pia na i eng lo nuai som ni le ti man kha ni ta mau mga thil siam ni ba kha chhuah khan thil tau em ma amma la lei khan lo tawa lom khan min an lei na sa outside da chuan India poisen za ni bor velin an le za le ti velin hi ma se kai ma chon za sari le ti de in ka lei ta ni chu ka ti swal ta ni chu ma se với lẩu tủ ra ngay yang cho nên cắn cẩn lên tủ hi em lẩu lồng cắn chuang đó na anh tin thì chúng ta cho hay cái lẩu thì làm về là sẽ là
together at the same time 6:30 we're leaving our hotel and whenever we arrive into our restaurant we take the dinner so the dinner is around 7:15 or 7:30 about it okay. After the dinner, we will return to our hotel, and then the rest of time, if you want to hang around, you can go to Old Town for some drink, beer, alcohol, coffee, tea, or anything like that, right? You still have time, okay? So now it's relaxing until the evening, and then remember 6:30 in the hotel lobby, we're going to Royal Rasoi. That is the dinner for tonight, the restaurant for today. Thank you very much. Thank you.
em mình ai đi phil file lẩu này em mình cho cô chỉ lẩu đấy Har là bang ama ro chu ai chan ID khang.
Okay, thank you for your reply to our menu, right? But actually, that's about the menus, about the restaurant from the company. The already. Okay, so let's see on the list here. Tomorrow night, Vietnam food. Yes. Day after tomorrow, when going to the cruise, Vietnam food with seafood, right? And then the last day for the maybe not, because look is completely a bit different, right? But they say that they are the Indian, they take the Indian food, but I know. Okay, so now the food I share you few day Indian, few day local food. Okay, yes. Tomorrow night, day after tomorrow is local food for sure. I promise it, right? I will bring you to some Vietnamese restaurant, right? Because Vietnam food, firstly, is very good. I'm going to say very, very good. And on the list of the best food in the world, we have so many food from Vietnam. For example, when you come to Vietnam, the most famous food that you should try one day, phở, P-H-O, phở, right? You should say like me, phở. The last words, even though that is O, but we say phở, right? Yes. If you say O, it will be four is mean the street. Yeah, four is mean the street. Same pronunciation. And another thing. If you say P-H-O, but you say four, that is very sensitive words. The word four is talking about, it's like playground. It's like for the girl, right? So if you go to the restaurant and you say four, so you say no, we're not serving with chicken, right? That is the best food with the broth in the world. If you're searching on some dictionary in the world, the name pho is also very popular, right? Right now it's go around the world, not only Vietnam, many countries in Asia, many countries in Europe, Africa, or many countries in the world, they take pho. It's very popular. And for us, we eat pho whole day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, right? Yes, so pho is very popular. Yeah, but actually for the noodle soup, the broth in Vietnam, we have many kind of broth. Yeah, even though noodle and the broth, but the taste is many is different. The noodle is different, big size, small size, vermicelli, or many things. So it's make the different name, different kind. We also eat the noodle with seafood, with the noodle with fish, with chicken, or even though you see mentioned before, with the frog, right? And one of the most famous, one of the most popular food for Vietnamese people, that is hot pot. You know hot pot, right? Very fun, very nice. And when all the families or all of the friends sit down together around one of the hot pot, talking, drinking, eating, cheer, chatting, it will be very fun, and it's super popular in our country, right? At the evening when you hang out, maybe you see the people sit down everywhere, right? That is about the food, the famous food in our country. So I see a lot of people want to drink. Now I tell you the famous drink in our country. The famous drink in our country, that is beer hơi. Beer hơi. That is beer. But when I mention beer, you think Tiger, Heineken, or something like that, right? Bush wider or something. Vietnam very easily, very open about the alcohol. You can buy it very easily. But for the beer, you should, if you want to drink, or maybe tonight when you come to the beer corner, you should looking for the draft beer. The draft beer, the beer in the big can, and then you share into small cup. One cup only around 60 cents or 70 cents US dollars for one cup, right? And for me, maybe around 20 or 30 cup is enough to drink. For sure, it's make you high. It's strong. It's quite strong. For us, it's quite. It's around. For the alcohol there is around 4-5%.
Ponsolum lutukay tiyan bastu
Made from
si
rice, right? And one thing is with the beer in Vietnam, for the men, for simple men, after 5 p.m. Yeah, women busy with cooking at home, look after for the kids, for the children, or everything. But the men busy for drink first, right? Let's take some drink first before go home. Maybe 5:30 a.m. Quite thirsty. And around 5 p.m. We not say now it's 5 o'clock. We say now is beer o'clock.
Biar te pon law inani ko nga.
Okay, so now we are nearby our hotel. Now it's 4:10. You have around more than 2 hours. 2 hours for relaxing, taking a shower, right? 6:30, I see you in the hotel lobby. Thank you.
Kanting doon to mi. Ni doon tagdro. Bisa wana ngulong biar nga. Sing leta hay. Wow, lumraw pui bon sia lu tang le.
Làm là tôi có theo rồi, cũng có rồi. Hey, cái